Seller U here to teach you about Amazon selling. This video covers how to estimate your net proceeds using the revenue calculator and how to explore opportunities to grow your business in the Amazon store. This tool lets you preview what your estimated net proceeds would be if you tried Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, enrolled in a new fulfillment program, started selling a new product, or sold in additional stores. You can also compare fees, costs, and estimated net proceeds for each scenario in real time. To access this tool, sign in to your Seller Central account and search for Revenue Calculator. Next, open the Revenue Calculator help page and follow the provided link. On the Revenue Calculator page, you can search for existing products in the Amazon catalog or enter product information to define a new product. To view cost and profitability estimates for selling a currently listed product, select the Search Amazon Catalog tab. Next, choose the Amazon store you plan to sell the product in to find relevant products, programs, and fee rates specific to that store. Once selected, enter the product's SKU, title, ISBN, UPC, EAN, or ASIN, and click Search. If the product you're searching for is currently listed in your catalog in this Amazon store, it'll appear under My Products. If the product isn't currently listed in your catalog in this Amazon store, select the correct product under Other Products on Amazon. To estimate the cost and profitability of selling a product not currently listed in your catalog or the Amazon catalog, select the Define Product tab. Next, enter the product's unit of measurement, package dimensions, unit weight, item price, and shipping charge. You'll also need to select the Amazon store you plan to sell the product in and the product's category. Once complete, select Estimate. Like we mentioned, the Revenue Calculator is a great tool for comparing the estimated net proceeds across fulfillment programs, including your fulfillment and FBA. To start comparing, complete the required fields in the Amazon Fulfillment and Your Fulfillment columns. Under Amazon Fulfillment, enter the product's sales price, estimated average number of units you plan to store in FBA per month, estimated monthly units sold, cost of goods, and any other costs you plan to incur with FBA. Under Your Fulfillment, enter the product's sales price and shipping charge to the customer, costs associated with your fulfillment and storage, cost of goods, and any other costs associated with your fulfillment. Once complete, your estimated net profit and margin for each fulfillment method will display at the bottom of each column. Try out different estimates to explore profitability for each fulfillment type. You can also use the third column to compare another fulfillment scenario by entering different prices or cost estimates. The Revenue Calculator allows you to compare any combination of eligible programs for your selected product. To do this, select X next to the program name at the top of the column and pick any program from the options displayed. This allows you to estimate the profitability of a program, compare different program estimates side by side, or compare the same program with different cost inputs and prices. Remember that only some fees are included in Revenue Calculator estimates. Common fees like referral fees, fulfillment fees, monthly storage fees, and variable closing fees are calculated in these estimates. Fees not calculated in estimates include long-term storage fees, removal order fees, return processing fees, and more. For more information on fees, hover over a fee type in the Revenue Calculator. We've just covered how to estimate cost and profitability of selling a product in the Amazon store using the Revenue Calculator. You now have the tools to explore and compare different fulfillment methods and programs specific to your product and store. Visit our channel for more tutorials and Amazon walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.